In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a quantity option on your Shopify product pages. This feature allows customers to choose how many items they want to purchase before adding products to the cart. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. This section contains your theme and storefront customization settings. Next, click on Customize beside your active Shopify theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can edit your product page, layout, and settings. Now look toward the top menu of the theme editor and click on Home page. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, select Products and then choose Default Product. This section controls the layout and functionality of your main product page template. Once you're inside the default product template, look for the Add block or plus icon within the product information area. Click the plus icon to view the available content blocks you can add to the product page. Now locate and select Quantity Selector from the list. After adding the Quantity Selector block, customers will now be able to increase or decrease the number of items they want to purchase directly from the product page. You can also reposition the Quantity Selector block if needed to better fit your store layout. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner of the screen. Your Shopify product pages will now display the quantity option for customers. It's always a good idea to preview your product page afterward to make sure the quantity selector appears and functions correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a quantity option on Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.